All right, this is it. Let the games begin. This is the Computer Programming University where learning should always be fun, so remember to smile. So I'm going to install Python in 30 seconds. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, you heard me correctly. I am going to install Python in less than 30 seconds. You don't believe I can do it? Watch me. Let's go! All right, get ready to start your timers. We're gonna install this in less than 30 seconds. Watch me. You don't think I can do it? Watch me. Haha. Here we go. I'm done. Yeah. Obviously, a little bit of unnecessary theatrics there, but for the most part, that is how easy it is to install Python on Linux. It is that easy and that fast. It may take a little bit longer for you, and by longer I mean an extra 5, 10 seconds, 20 seconds at the most, but pretty much what you saw, that's how you do it. Now, a couple of differences in what I did. Number one, you don't need the goggles. You don't need the headphones. You don't need the chocolate water in the glass. You don't need any of that nonsense. You can just, in your PJs, whatever it is you're wearing, you can just install Linux. So that's number one. Number two, if you pay close attention, you will notice that I actually did a reinstallation, not an installation, because I already had it installed. So the difference in your command that you're going to use is going to be, just remove the reinstall option. So just, you don't need that. There you have it. So it's sudo app-get install Python 2.7. Now there's a newer version of Python. I recommend 2.7 for now. Make your own decision. Do research online and decide on which version you want to get. My personal recommendation is go with 2.7. So I'm going to break down this command for you as well so you can understand exactly what is happening here. Let's clear up the screen so we don't have all this mess on there. So this is the command I'm saying to use. So let's break this down. So what you're seeing right here is the first thing is sudo. Now this command actually doesn't begin at sudo. The command begins at apt-get, right? So it's apt-get. What do you want to apt-get? I want to apt-get Python 2.7, and what I'm doing is an install, right? As opposed to reinstallation. So that's what that says. The sudo part is giving me the permissions to do this, because if you're to run this command, it depends on how you're logged in, what account you're logged in with. But I'm just normally for security reasons, you don't want to log into sort of a root account or something like that. So just like with Windows, you don't want to be logged in as administrator all the time, right? Because if your account gets hacked, they have full access to everything. So for security reasons, unless you're doing administrative tasks, you shouldn't be logged into an administrative account. So my account right now requires me to sudo, super user do, right? If I didn't do that, this is what happens. Could not open lock file, verlib, dpkg, whatever, blah, 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 permission denied. That's the special, most important word is permission denied, getting permission issued. And it says, unable to log administrative directory, and it says, are you root? That's the thing I love about Linux. It's actually giving you clues, right? Are you root? It complains about permission, then it's asking if you're root. So clearly it's saying you don't have authority to do what you're trying to do. That is why we sudo it instead of just doing the command and by itself. So we super user do, and then that's the command we're typing in. We're doing an install of what? Python 2.7. That's simple. Type that command, hit enter. It's gonna go through the installation, and once it's done, guess what? You now have Python installed. So if you type in Python, this is what you're gonna get. Python 2.7.6, and it says type help, copyright credits, or license for more information. So if you type in help, you can see absolutely nothing happens. The reason for that is that in this Python module, whatever you want to call it, things are a little bit different because basically right now you can type in Python commands. So Python needs to know, are you typing in a Python command or are you one of these menu options? It needs to know what it is you're typing in. So the way that you actually type in these types of commands, not programming commands, but the commands from this sort of interface, is you're going to type in, so you want to do help. So help is an option. You're going to type in HELP, and then you're going to put in the open parentheses, close parentheses, and that's going to get you the actual help, right? So it's that easy. So now let's say I want to learn about the import, right? So import is something you're going to do a lot to import modules. So let's type in import, and here it says import module as name, identifier. So you're getting sort of a syntax, sort of like a man page. Now, when I'm done with this, I can actually, first I can scroll up and down to see more. Import statements are executed in 2 steps. Find a module and initialize it if necessary. Define a name or names in the local namespace, blah, 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 blah. When I'm done, I can click on Q, and Q is going to take me back to the main help screen. So once I'm done with this, I can actually go ahead and type in exit, and it's going to give me the information about something else. So now we're looking at the information about exit. Now, when you're truly done with this, you can actually type in quit. And that's all there is to it. It is that easy. You can install Python right there in less than 30 seconds. And now you are ready to enter the wonderful world of Python. I did a video talking about what Python is. The wonderful world of Python. Python being a very beginner-friendly language, easy to understand or to read, very efficient, minimal lines of code, and so powerful. And if you want to learn more about Python, stay tuned to this Python series right here on Computer Programming University. And if you really want to learn Python, I recommend that you take the course. Take the full course, get certified. You can put that on your resume, it can help you get jobs, and you can really take this places. I'm giving you an awesome overview, which is really going to help you on your journey to learning Python, but there's so much more you can do with it. So if you're really serious about Python, go ahead and dive in and take the full course. If you really just want to get your feet wet in a fun and exciting way, an easy way, then stay tuned to this series. Go ahead and click on the like button. Appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and smash the hell out of that like button. I mean, smash the hell out of the bell. Smash the hell out of that bell. You know you want to. This is Computer Programming University, where learning should always be fun, and remember to always smile. And I always end each video with a song. If you would like to recommend a song or suggest a song, you have to be a notification squad, so click on that bell icon so you can put your request in early when I post new videos. So anyway, on this episode, I am going to just do a freestyle on this one. I don't have any particular song that I want to sing. So anyway, welcome to the wonderful world of Python. Python, the powerful language Python. It's easy to learn, it's efficient, it is so powerful, it's oh man. Alright, that's all I got today. If you hate that song and you want me to sing an actual song with some lyrics that actually make some sense, then suggest the song that I'm gonna sing at the end of the next episode, because every video I sing a song. This is Computer Programming University. Remember, the first step to learning is to smile. Wie geht's? Adios and ciao across the globe. Have fun. I am passionate about teaching you and having you be successful. Do you want to learn how to program Python? Do you want to learn how to program Python? Python is an interpreted high. I will be working on a couple of projects. I am working on a new version of my quiz creation module, which I created before. It actually allows you to create quizzes or quiz scripts, interactive quizzes. And the new version is going to be modular, so I'll be able to add questions to an existing quiz. So pretty much you run through the script, you enter the questions, enter the answers, enter the questions, enter the answers. When you're done, it outputs a script. You can